Hi everyone, we're here at Area 22 today. We're going to be discussing the Miracle System, all its components, and how it's used in panel repair. Today we're going to talk about the Miracle System A package. As you can see, there's quite a few components to it, but the first thing I want to do is talk about the power unit and how simple it is to use. As you can see, you would press the numbers and it would light up and give you a good starting point of where you should start welding for the easy puller and your slide hammer. Once we move into section 2, this will set you up for keys and 2 different types of shrinking metal. And once we move into section 3, this will give you carbon tip shrinking. There's obviously many components to this, but this power unit is very simple to use and bodyman friendly, that's for sure. So now I'm going to talk about some of the components that come with the A package. Probably one of the most used pieces will be the strong puller. Obviously very good for pulling out body lines and hard creases. The other thing you're going to receive is a level puller, great for fixing dents on roofs and on hoods. Also on this side of the cart, you're going to receive your easy puller. So this is the one of the tools that you use for finishing all your dents off. Makes it very quick and easy, very quick snapping, quick release. On this side of the cart, you're going to have all your attachments for your easy puller. Anything from a small dent to a large dent, everything you need will be on this side. So now I'm going to talk about the accessory kit. The first thing I'd like to point out is the line pullers. Obviously, these are going to be used for large damage on the vehicle, maybe a roof panel, box sides on trucks, things of that sort. The other thing I want to point out are the small hand pullers. You're going to get 3 of those, all for different size dents again. Also, you're going to receive 3 different sizes of slide hammers. And on the last thing I'm going to talk about is your body hammers. You're going to have different sizes. You're going to have horizontal and vertical ends for all different kinds of body lines and shapes. Also, one of the most important things is the rubber caps that are removable. So if you're trying to make it a little softer on the panel, always install your rubber tips and it can save a panel. And on the other side of the accessory board, what you're going to find are all the different size feet that will attach to the line puller and strong puller to accommodate any size dent on any vehicle. The one thing that I did want to mention though, all these accessories can be used with the Miracle System aluminum. So this way everything can do either steel or aluminum and the accessories stay the same. So another thing that happens is that we have a lot of inquiries about bits and how to grind them and how to shape them. Well, with the Miracle System, you get the bit cutter. The bit cutter is the simplest thing that you can use. You're going to slide it in, you're going to adjust the number, so each and every key will be consistently cut to the same size. Set it in place, pull the trigger, cut your keys, and it's as simple as that. So once your machine is all set up, I'm just going to run through quickly how fast you can weld keys to a panel. I mean, ultimately you might want to draw a line or use a laser light so you can stay nice and straight. But the main thing is the keys can be put on an angle, lifted right up into position. So this way you have the ultimate pull. The keys are nice and tight, one against the other. So now I'm going to show you some twisted keys. I mean, ultimately these would be used on maybe like the center line on this hood. We're just going to run through it quickly. So the next thing I was going to weld on is a few washers for you. Washers can get in super tight, super strong. So with the Miracle system, you have 3 different sets of keys. So as you've seen that I was welding in on an angle and I was lifting up the key. This is because when you actually take a key off, what you want to do is twist it and not wiggle it side to side, because when you wiggle side to side, this is what pulls material off the panel. So a nice easy twist is all you need. So the next thing I want to show you some components of the Miracle system. The first one I'm going to show you is the strong puller. You're going to take that, you're going to put your feet on a quick twist, and they're locked into position. Once again, depending on your panel, completely adjustable. You move them wherever you need them. Once they're in position, you're just going to grab your puller, drop it down, line it up with your rod, and basically, work out your dent slowly. But once you get up there into position, your hands free, knock down your crowns, high spots, whatever you need to do. So one of the next tools that I'd like to show you with the Miracle system is the Easy Puller. It's probably one of the tools that you'll use the most. So once you've set your machine to the proper tool, you've picked your frame for the size of dent, you just simply attach your frame, attach your power cord, and you're ready to go. Just touch it to the panel, lift, twist. It's just that easy. So the next thing I'd like to show you on the Miracle system is some hand tools, just to do some of the little finer work that you might have to do on some smaller dents. Again, this one, just add your power to it, touch it to your panel. Again, just doing some fine work, trying to really be careful and massaging some small areas out. Comes very useful. The other thing, as you can see, the system has 3 different size slide hammers. So this one here, just for that light dent, you're going to touch it to the panel, twist off, touch, twist off, twist off. And it's just that easy to pull up some smaller dents. So the Miracle system was designed to keep you organized and keep the technician as efficient as possible during a repair. If you'd like to purchase a Miracle system, visit titanium22.ca. But if you'd like to sign up for a panel repair course, it's a 2-day course. We'll be using the entire system. You'll be using everything from a line puller to an easy puller. This way, the technician gets a full understanding of how to use the system and make them the most efficient tech possible. You can visit area22training.com if you'd like to register for the course.